Good Monday afternoon, everybody. It's Monday, May 20th, 2019. Welcome to another edition of Talking Fitchburg here on a gloomy Monday afternoon. What a rainy weekend, everybody. No matter where you were in the state, it was rainy. I was in the middle part of the state on Saturday, and it stayed warmer down here. Never got up to like the 70s where it was supposed to. No, it was cold. And Andrew, I took the Lillards camping for the first time. We didn't spend the night, but we went camping.
Yeah.
Did the whole camping thing. She loved it.
Without spending the night?
We didn't spend the night. We were anticipating that it was going to be heavy rain Saturday night through, and it turned out it did, especially in that area.
Yeah.
But
she loved it?
She loved it.
Awesome.
We grilled out. The tripod stand with the put over the fire.
Over the fire?
Yep.
Oh, good stuff.
Grilled some great steaks and
right over flame. Nothing better.
Mm-hmm. I had never been up in this area before. I will say it's in the Adams County area, and nice. Not too far a drive away, like Pettenwell, I think it is. Yeah, it's really nice thing, and
nice.
I might just go back. I might
go.
Just so I can get into
Sold
fishing.
them on it.
Yeah, I got my fishing license. Didn't go fishing, but I got it. So that happened.
Well, good.
Yeah.
You're set and ready.
How about yourself? Good weekend?
Yeah, good weekend. Busy weekend. Did some traveling over on Saturday, and then had the good old Sit in My Parade that was yesterday down in Stoughton. So we were down there watching the kids in the parade. So.
Yeah, and if you were out and about and were curious about some of that rain, I mean, in the last 3 days.
Yeah.
I was just trying to pull up here the amounts here, just looking in the. We just missed out in the. It was right on the Dane Green Rock line.
Okay.
Had the most rain there.
Yeah. Pushing
all the way into maybe saw 9 inches.
Wow.
In the last 3 days.
It's a lot of rain.
Fitchburg, we got in like right at the 3 to 6, somewhere in there.
All I know is my mom texted me because she was at my house when we went to the parade and said, "Did you just get that?" And we're like, "Nope." Apparently there were straight line winds at our house, and a mile south of our house had their barn blew over.
Yeah.
It was on the ground. It was like, wow. Nope, definitely didn't have that.
Yeah, we didn't have any of it up by us.
It's like, wow.
Yeah. But I saw that even
Scary
in
stuff.
Beloit.
Yeah.
Rock County had a lot of damage. So
that straight winds came out of nowhere.
That's how it goes, I guess.
Yeah. Happy May.
Happy May. Yeah, now I'm going to be really behind on planting the garden, which is okay, though, I think, still, right, because it's been so cold anyways. But
yeah,
I've got some new grass I want to plant. Like, come on,
things
warm
to
up.
do. I know.
Yeah.
I got things to do, too, now. So let's get her done.
Well, we got things to do on this show.
Yeah.
It's called Headlines. Headlines. We got a lot of headlines to get you up. We'll get you ready for your work week here. And then coming up in the digest, we're sitting down with Steve Tyson, Wisconsin DOT. He's in studio today. He'll help us navigate through the Verona Road construction and your update here. And then switching gears over to the Madison Region Economic Development and Diversity Summit was held last Friday. Andrew was there all day long. And he's going to bring back a little piece for us on that summit. We'll be rebroadcasting a lot of the sessions here on Fact TV later in the month of June. So get excited for that. But first, we do turn to your headlines, and we're starting with a turn restriction that will be taking place here. Here it is. Current intersection is over capacity and serves as a great example of why we are reconstructing the Verona Road corridor. 2 bridges will be built this year to carry Verona Road traffic over County PD. This fall, Verona Road will open to 3 lanes each way with travel under Williamsburg Way and over County PD. Upon further evaluation and analysis of Verona Road and County PD intersection operations, turn restrictions are being implemented for the nearby intersection to improve mobility through this area. This will minimize backups on eastbound County PD, and turn restrictions will be in effect starting this Wednesday, May 22nd, at County PD and Nesbitt Road and Kapec Road intersection. And through traffic and left turns from Kapec Road must use Fitchburg Road intersection. You will no longer be able to make that through or left turn onto County PD. So keep that in mind. We'll remind you the next couple of days, but that will go away here to avoid further congestion in that area. All right, kids crossing play structure at McKee Farms Park is closed starting today through May 31st. They're going to be doing some well-deserved maintenance, cleaning, and more. So if you're planning a trip to McKee Farms Park to Kids Crossing, try another park. Or try the splash pad. Or try walking. I don't know. Just don't go on the playset because it's closed. So, again, reopens Friday, May 31st. And, yeah, it'll be good when it's all said and done. All right, Fitchburg Police Department are investigating a shots fired incident over the weekend on Saturday, May 18th at approximately 12:07 a.m. Officers from the Fitchburg Police Department were sent to the area of Leopold and Longford Terrace for multiple reports of shots fired. Upon arriving on scene, officers did not locate anyone involved, but did locate a number of shell casings in the street. There was no report of anybody being injured and no suspect information to report. If you have any information related to this case, contact Fitchburg Police Department or Addison Area Crime Stoppers, or you can text your tip to 847-411. Include the keyword Fitchburg and your tip. All right, Fitchburg Police Department also busy last week and in the last couple of weeks with a lot of events going on here. One of them was Read with Heroes Night. Check this out. We got some photos here. Chad Breckman participating in Read with the Heroes Night at Stoner Prairie Elementary School. In addition to his reading skills, Chief Breckman also brought a door prize, which entitled the winner to a ride to school in a police car. Well, that lucky person right there is pretty happy. Also last week, brothers Jackson and Nolan cashed in their prize and received their ride to school in the police car, complete with a motorcycle escort. How about that?
That's really neat.
All right, another important week here. Last week was Police Week. This is National EMS Week. Starts the 19th through the 25th. This week celebrates the important work that Fitrona EMS and all of communities around the area and what they do. The Fitrona EMS staff is dedicated to providing day-to-day life-saving service to the front lines 24/7, keeping safe and healthy. They also go out of their way to teach CPR and other related classes in the community. And here was a picture from last week's council meeting as the mayor, Aaron Richardson, read the proclamation recognizing Emergency Medical Service Week for Fitrona EMS. And we're going to dive into this a little bit deeper later on. We're going to go out and talk with Fitrona EMS about EMS Week. So, yeah, make sure you thank your EMS staff. All right, finally, it's the annual Click It or Ticket. Yeah, it's here. That's right. The campaign begins today with another busy travel season getting underway. Law enforcement agencies across Wisconsin are teaming up to send out send motorists an important safety message. Andrew, can you guess what that is? Buckle up.
Buckle up.
Every seat, every trip during the annual Click It or Ticket mobilization that begins on the 20th and runs through June 2nd. Law enforcement officers work longer hours and greater numbers to ensure compliance with the state's 10-year-old mandatory seatbelt law. More information we'll share later on this week. But, yeah, you're doing your part. We're getting, and the percent's up too, 89%. But we got to get it higher. So buckle up and stay safe. All right, that does it for our headlines. Coming up next, we open up the digest with your Verona Road construction update. But first, here's a look at the meetings we're working this upcoming week.